Guys, we are back again. I'm just going to try to make this one short and sweet, focus on USDJPY for today. And as we see on these weekly time frames, try to expand this a little bit. Right, we've had a significant push of volume. We've been going this direction for quite a time now. So given this third candle, there's always the potential that this candle fills itself out, that it ends up being of a similar size as these ones. But we also haven't had much relief on this move yet. So we're waiting to see. On the medium time frame, we've seen a lot of trap moves, and we've seen what could indicate some sort of pullback, but I think it's still too soon to know. We ought to be careful about this because when the trend is super bullish like this, you see people trying to get on board. Like they want to get in on the fun, right? So when you have an influx of people that are wanting to buy, then that's a great opportunity for market makers to take their profit, but be able to keep price at a similar level. That's what these wicks are. So these are market makers. These are institutions taking their profit off from probably down here, levels down here. And this was a big one, but I also think this might have been a bit of a seller trap here for the people that were looking at these points and assuming, okay, maybe we've reached a top right here, thinking they wanted to sell right here, or especially as this candle was forming, trying to get in on this or setting pending orders below these levels. The market just gobbled that up. And now we're in this period of loose consolidation. I should say tight consolidation. It's actually on this higher time frame, it's easing over, but it looks like we're losing steam a little bit for that bullish momentum. Price is closing just below 155, and I think that could be a significant psychological level for this pair, but we're going to have to wait and see. On this lower time frame, what we're looking at is, again, a lot of trap moves playing out. We're seeing these points just hit hard very quickly and price being brought back into the same realm. I do think this could be an indication of some sort of pullback that could happen, but given how the weekly time frame is looking, it might not be clear yet if it's time for that to go down. Okay? Price is rounding out. It's having trouble sustaining these higher levels, but before this actually dumps, because it could dump, that's what I'm mainly waiting for, like a big sell-off on this pair. We have to be aware that we could see some sort of spike higher and then that to proceed downward. All right, I want to bring up the daily chart just to see if we can gain any more clarity on this. The daily chart here, we have this doji, which obviously the price is kind of being confusing in an area like this. We have a bullish candle that is bringing us above this previous structure, but then we have a doji. So imagine what this next candle could do. Are we going to dump down here, or are we going to see some sort of structure hold out in here and then we're going to see it go higher? Yet to know. So I'd be careful with this one in the moment, but I am thinking it may be showing signs of we're running out of bullish volume for the time being. All right. So with that, I wish you all happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your week. Take care.